What else is going on with you lately? Seeing anybody?
Me? Nah, not really.
No?
No, I mean, sometimes I'll meet somebody and I'll read them a bit of poetry.
Oh,
That's it.
stop! You were there.
Yeah, thank God.
Whatever. Just happened.
Hey, come on. Just jacking your chain, you know? Yeah, you can read all the poetry you want with anybody you want. Don't let me stop you. I just think it's a bit silly, you know?
No, it's not. It's beautiful. It can be.
Mm-hmm.
And I was just, I don't know, I thought maybe to get us off on the right foot or something. Connecting in a more spiritual way.
Yeah, I mean, it did last 2 months.
Oh, you're such an ass.
No, I'm not. I'm a realist. Yeah, that's it. I'm realistic. About life and love and work and death. Everything, you know? I don't want shit sneaking up on me. No. I want to face it as it comes. And, you know, you know.
No? What?
Be ready for anything.
So romantic.
Aye, fuck romance. Give me someone I can trust. Someone who likes me, you know, who is sexy and fun and has a job. See? I'm a realist.
Yeah, that's a nice name for what you are.
Hey, come on, don't be an asshole.
You love me.
I mean, yeah. Like a sister.
Like an incestuous sister.
Gross.
Is it?
I mean, yeah, I guess. I think it's supposed to be, no? Incest.
Who cares about supposed to be? What do you think?
I mean, I have a sister and I'm not interested in her, so yes, it's pretty gross.
But are you interested in me?
Yeah? I mean...
Really?
Like a sister. God. You're so weird sometimes.
Most of the times.
True.
So are you. That's why we're friends.